Creating a bird-friendly backyard is easy. Providing food, water, and shelter are 3 key components to consider. It's recommended to hang your feeder in a sheltered southeastern location because of its exposure to the sun and light breezes. If you have squirrel problems, you'll want to use a squirrel baffle or pole mount your feeder 5 feet from the ground and at least 10 feet from the nearest tree. If you've decided to feed hummingbirds, it is suggested to hang your hummingbird feeder away from direct sunlight to prevent the nectar from spoiling. Also, keep in mind to hang it high enough so that cats and other predators can't reach the feeder. If you have trumpeting plants, hanging your feeder near and around them is best to help attract hummingbirds. Adding a water element as part of your birdscaping is important. Choose from those that allow you to serve both seed and water, or those that serve only water. When birdscaping, you should also consider providing shelter. Whether you choose a sheltered location or a feeder that features an overhang or metal barrier, every little bit helps. Aside from providing the essentials, it's also a good idea to add a few bird-friendly plants. Colorful plants also attract a good variety of birds because they contain nectar, which attracts insects, making them a great addition to your birdscape and a way to balance out a bird's diet with a natural source of protein. For medium to larger sized birds such as jays, woodpeckers, and bluebirds, consider adding a fruit-bearing tree. Birdscaping will be sure to attract more birds to your yard. It can also be a fun family activity.